In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go live on TikTok even if you don't have 1000 followers. Let me show you. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app, and then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile icon. Then when you're at your profile, I want you to go up and click on the three straight lines. Then I want you to click on the settings and privacy. Then guys, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click submit report. This is where things are getting interesting. Don't lose your time on this quick access, questions, topics. None of this will help you, okay? What you want to do, you want to go down and create your individual report. Click submit report. This is the message that I prepare for you guys, and this is the message that simply will help you. You have to hit the three main points that will make TikTok to give you the option, because they will understand that you're the person for the life. First thing, you want to let them know that you are live streamer already, but on the other social media. You want to let them know that, hey, I'm doing live streams on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube, on Twitch. I'm a good live streamer. I do have followers on the other social medias, but I'm new to TikTok. And let them know that because you're new, you don't still have followers here. You're still figuring out how the platform works. And let them know that you only do live streams. This is why you need a live stream function to be available for you. You don't do posts, you don't do videos, you only do live streams. And this is good for TikTok simply because, during live streams, the creator is getting paid. TikTok is getting paid as well. So everyone wins. Last but not least, guys, you want to make sure you let them know that you're looking to focus or to shift your focus mainly on TikTok from other social medias. You want to bring some followers, you want to bring some people on the platform. So this is why they are going to give you. You're leaving them without choice. Experienced streamer with followers who is looking to start streaming every single day on the platform. Of course, they're going to give you the live function. There's no questions about it. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.